Yeah, it was. It was booty as shit, dude. I'll show you. I got the pay. I'm gonna make you a T-shirt now of the carrot. Oh, that's your new Christmas present. This video of nothing, watching it turn to mud. Of how I was recording up there a mile and a half before Dean. That's just shit, Dean.
Now we know, though.
I think we should just fuck this. This killed my pedons, dude. Like, I was oaring hard up there in the good water, now it's just fucking like squashing on my testicles and twisting, dude. Like, yeah. If the bite was good, I'd love it. Oh!
It's good! Oh yeah! It's huge!
Crank it hard, Carney. Not you, Sean.
The bite was good.
Give it to him if he wants it, Sean. Crank them both, Carney. You got it. Get the other one, Carney. Hey, get that rod out of the way, Carney.
Everything, oh, Richard's power down. My confidence is gone. Richard, start ordering. It's on Chad Foley. Is it? It's a hot shot.
Oh, Steely.
Big Steely. Big from Steely. I got mine.
Hop out left or right, Sean. It's up to you. Go for it. You're full left. Hold the boat, Carney.
At least I got to see a lurching steelhead.
That's good. Oh, dude, that's a beautiful fish. You want to come grab her or him? Got that tail? I got the camera here too. Oh, good job.
You don't hear steelhead make sounds like that. Thank God, Dean Creek.
Do one little shot before you drop it in there. Yeah, it's a dimer. Alright. Lots of spots on that sucker. I gotta lift this camera. I think that was it. Yours is different than mine.